let's take a closer look at the kitchen in the brick dollhouse. I did it in a very soft, pale yellow, and the sink and the stove are a little wooden kit that I got, and I put it together, and I decided to paint it that very soft yellow for something different, just to change up. And it's pretty. The table, I had to pull apart another table and glue it with a different top to make it fit, because it's another small room. The wallpaper is a very pale yellow and white stripe. The little sunflower curtains, I think, just really added a little cheerfulness to the room. And everything's just done kind of in yellow. It's got really cute accessories. The little canisters, the little tea set. This is another cozy room.